Hey everybody, welcome back. This is George, Florida Railroad Dog from the Roman Nico Railroad. Hope everybody's doing okay. Hope everybody's having a lot of fun railroading. First and foremost, I want to thank the Strasburg Railroad Club of New Jersey for highlighting my Strasburg collection at the Pennsylvania show this past weekend. Thanks, Dave. That was awesome. I really appreciate it. It's been really busy here. What started out as a hobby has become a full-time job, believe it or not. I have a lot of requests to do buildings, to do other sorts of items, and I try to make them all for everybody who really wants something that's never been for sale or nobody sells it. I've also highlighted a lot of new buildings. I got a ton of new buildings, a ton of cars, and there's Einstein. Let me turn it around and show you what I got. Wow, you can see most of my buildings are gone. A lot of people want these buildings built, so I've been selling the ones that I've showcased on my layout. I plan on doing other buildings and putting them on the layout. I got 2 more printers coming. There'll be a total of 6 printers, so that's a new little cattle car I built for a customer, and I did the flag car for him too. And then he liked them so much he called me back and told me, can you make me a little box car? And I went ahead and did the little box car also. Why is it that when you're videotaping, the dogs want to bark? But I might make me a set of these. I like the way they came out. I'm getting a lot better at designing. And I just like these smaller cars. They fit in, better places. You got a small layout. Over here, I also started to build some flats. Requested some people, and I did a Chinese food store. My White Castle, I brought it down to like a flat. Now I'm doing, I did the little tavern, which I sold, and I'm doing the Subway restaurant in the works. I'm also got some culverts, some concrete bridges and stuff like that. Well, there she is. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I want to thank everybody. I want to thank all my subscribers for always tuning in. I'm going to try to get back into it. I miss hanging out with the live streams. Cab Crew Wednesday. I miss hanging out with Jerry, messing around with him. I want to try to get back into a little bit curly. But it is what it is. I've been really busy. Hey, I appreciate it. Thanks for everybody. And like always, happy railroading. Bye.